All right, we got this really nice GE microwave. Look at this thing. This thing is absolutely amazing. So much space in there. Got this nice little plate that spins around. Got the light up there. Then you come over here, you got all these different settings. Cook time, power level, add 30 seconds, convection bake, convection roast. You got that one over here. You got the different foods. You can defrost, you can reheat. There's so many different settings on here. This thing is absolutely amazing. This is definitely my favorite microwave, and I highly recommend it to you.